Today we discuss on a topic LCM and HCF. Now LCM and HCF. Now we see the examples here. Find the HCF of 2 raised to 2, 2 raised to 5, 2 raised to 7 and 2 raised to 8. Here we write here, we find the HCF of these 4 numbers. Then HCF of this number is equal to, we take here 2 is base. Then we take for HCF, we take smallest degree of 2. Smallest degree of 2. Then smallest degree of 2 is 2. Then your HCF is 2 raised to 2. That is, your answer is 4. Here we find the HCF of 2 raised to 2, 2 raised to 5, 2 raised to 7 and 2 raised to 8. Then for HCF we take base, that is 2, and smallest degree of 2. Smallest degree of 2 is 2. Then your answer is 2 raised to 2. That is 2 raised to 2 means your answer is 4. This is your HCF. Now next. Same here, we find the HCF of 3 raised to 7, 3 raised to 5, 3 raised to 4 and 3 raised to 2. We find the HCF of 3 raised to 7, 3 raised to 5, 3 raised to 4 and 3 raised to 2. Then HCF is equal to, your base is 3. Then smallest degree of 3 is, your smallest degree of 3 is 2. Then your HCF is 3 raised to 2. Yes, we find the HCF of 3 raised to 7, 3 raised to 5, 3 raised to 4 and 3 raised to 2. We take base 3 and smallest degree of 3 is 2. Then your answer is 3 bracket square. 3 bracket square is equal to 9. Then your answer is 9. Now next. Here, find the LCM of 2 raised to 2, 2 raised to 5, 2 raised to 7 and 2 raised to 8. Find the LCM of 2 raised to 2, 2 raised to 5, 2 raised to 7 and 2 raised to 8. Here LCM of, we find the LCM, then LCM of this 4 number is, your base is 2. For LCM we take highest degree of 2. For LCM we take highest degree of 2. Then highest degree of 2 is 8. Then your answer is 2 raised to 8. That is 4 raised to 4. This is your answer or this is your answer. Then LCM we take the base 2. For LCM we take highest degree of these 4. Then highest degree of these 4 is 8. Then 2 raised to 8. That is 2 raised to 8 means 4 raised to 4. This is your answer. Now next. Same here. Find the LCM of 3 raised to 7, 3 raised to 5, 3 raised to 4 and 3 square. Then we find the LCM here. We write for LCM base is 3 and for LCM we take highest degree of 3. For LCM we take highest degree of 3. Highest degree of 3 is 7. Then your answer is 3 raised to 7. Then your answer is, LCM of this 4 number is 3 raised to 7. LCM of this 4 number is 3 raised to 7. Now next. This is important. Here we find the HCF of 2 raised to minus 3. Here degree is minus 3. 2 raised to minus 5. 2 raised to minus 9, 2 raised to minus 7. Here we find the HCF. HCF means we find the HCF. Then your base is 2. If your degree is in minus, then for HCF we take highest degree. This is in minus degree. 2 raised to minus 3, 2 raised to minus 5, 2 raised to minus 9, 2 raised to minus 7. If degree is in minus term, then we find the HCF. HCF is equal to base is 2 and we take highest degree. Then 2 raised to 9 or 1 upon 2 raised to 9. This is your answer. 2 raised to minus 9 or 1 upon 2 raised to minus 9. This is for the minus. Now next. Find the HCF of the number 3 raised to minus 4, 3 raised to minus 5, 3 raised to minus 2, 3 raised to minus 7. Here same for HCF. Your base is 3. For HCF your base is 3. And degree of this 4 is in minus term. Then we take for HCF we 3 raised to and the power is higher. We take power is higher, that is minus 7. Then your HCF is 3 raised to minus 7. Or we write 3 raised to 1 upon 3 raised to 7. This is your HCF. Then HCF is 3 raised to minus 7 or 1 upon 3 raised to 7. This is your answer. Now next. Here find the LCM. Find the LCM of 5 raised to minus 4, 5 raised to minus 5, 5 raised to minus 2, 5 raised to minus 7. Here for LCM your base is 5. For LCM your base is 5. And for LCM we take smallest degree. If degree is minus term, then we take smallest degree, that is 2 raised to minus 2. Then LCM of these 4 number is 5 raised to minus 2. That means 5 square, that is 1 upon 25. This is your answer. Here we find the LCM, base is same 5 and we take for LCM smallest degree, that is minus 2. Then 1 upon 5 square, that is 1 upon 25. This is your answer. Now next. Here same. Find the LCM of 2 raised to minus 3, 2 raised to minus 5, 2 raised to minus 9 and 2 raised to minus 7. Hence we find the LCM is equal to base is 2 and we take smallest degree, degree in minus term. This power of 2 is in minus. Then we take smallest number, that is smallest digit or number, 2 raised to minus 3. That is we write 2 raised to 3. That is 1 upon 8. This is your LCM. Power in minus, then take for LCM take smallest power or smallest degree, and for HCF we take highest degree.